Hey Starseeds! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 very tasty and very refreshing smoothies. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time we upload a video. As well, we just opened our Patreon page, so if you want to check that out and support our videos and support our work, you can just click on the link down in the description below and you can check that out. So why don't we get in the kitchen? So the first smoothie that I'm gonna be showing you how to make is the Honeydew Melon smoothie. Now here in Cyprus, honeydew melons are in season and they're absolutely delicious and sweet and succulent. So I'm gonna be pairing that up with some mint leaves, and I'll tell you something, this smoothie is jam-packed with vitamin C. So mint leaves have a lot of vitamin C in them, and also honeydew melon also has a lot of vitamin C. And the reason why it's important to consume vitamin C, you probably already know this, is that it helps in the production of collagen in the skin and also helps you absorb all of those nutrients a little better. So if your honeydew melons are not as sweet as you would like, you can always add in a teaspoon or a tablespoon of agave nectar just to amp things up a little bit. Now the flavor of the smoothie is very aromatic thanks to the honeydew melon. It sort of has that earthy sort of smell, that earthy sort of scent, and combined with mint leaves, it's just gonna leave you feeling very refreshed. So we have 215 grams or 1 cup and a quarter of honeydew melon. We have a tablespoon of agave nectar. We have 15 grams of mint leaves. We have a quarter of an avocado and a cup of your plant milk of choice. And don't forget, some ice cubes. So we're gonna start with the milk and we're gonna place it into our blender. You can choose any kind of milk you want. I have cashew milk here. I'm gonna place some of the melon in after this, and that's only because I like to add in the most watery ingredients for the blender to run a little smoothly. Mint leaves in, avocado, and finally we're gonna be adding in the agave nectar. Adding agave nectar is optional, you don't have to do it, but if you find that your honeydew melons are not very sweet, you can always add some agave in. And ice cubes. You're gonna blend this up until smooth and delicious. So I love these little jars that I have here, and I'm just gonna pour in this delicious green melon smoothie. Love that. And there you go, smoothie number 1 is ready. So the second smoothie up is the papaya and turmeric smoothie. Now, one of the reasons why I love this smoothie is because papayas are loaded with vitamin C and also with vitamin A. Now, if you're vegan and you're watching this, vitamin A is super important, as you know, and we need to get that in. So this is a really great way to get in your vitamin A. And also I've paired this smoothie up with some turmeric and black pepper. Now I love turmeric powder. It's just the powder of sunshine, and it's native to India. And one of the things that is really important about turmeric powder is that it's packed with antioxidants, and it can actually treat your stomach problems, liver problems, inflammation, arthritis, and even help you treat cancer. So it's very important. And we added in a little bit of black pepper in there just to activate the turmeric. So this is also a very refreshing smoothie for the summer. And what I love about this is if you're not a turmeric fan, don't worry about it. You won't really be able to taste the turmeric in here. You'll just taste a sort of hint of it in the smoothie. So for this delicious smoothie, we're gonna be using half a teaspoon of turmeric powder as well as an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna be using 175 grams of chopped frozen papaya, or just a little over a cup, and also 90 grams of frozen chopped banana, or 1.5 small bananas. We're gonna be using a few cubes of ice, a 1/3 cup of filtered water, and also 1.5 cups of milk. Starting off with our liquid, we are going to be starting with our milk, followed by the filtered water. So now we're going to be adding in the frozen fruit. Just don't want to splash all over the camera. Perfect. And don't forget your turmeric and black pepper. Finally, we're going to be adding in some ice cubes. And all you got to do is blend. So to your favorite jar, you're going to pour this goodness into the jar. And there you have it, the most delicious papaya and turmeric smoothie. The third smoothie up is the chocolate milk smoothie, or the naughty smoothie, okay? And I'm calling it the naughty smoothie because you know that dates are really sweet and delicious, especially paired up with cacao powder. You can even add in vanilla in this, although it's not in the recipe. It would make it all the more delicious. So dates are packed with potassium and, as you know, a whole lot of sugar. Now these are natural sugars and, as far as I've read, are very low on the glycemic index. So enjoy that chocolate milk smoothie. For the final smoothie, we're going to be using a tablespoon of raw cacao powder, 13 medjool dates, and make sure you pit them, a few cubes of ice, a cup of water, and 2 cups of your favorite plant milk. So starting with your favorite milk, I'm using cashew nut milk here, but you can use anything you like, followed by filtered water, our delicious raw cacao powder, chopped and pitted dates, and finally, we're gonna be adding in some ice cubes just to make sure that our chocolate milk smoothie is nice and cold. And all you gotta do is blend. Our milk chocolate smoothie is ready, and just look at how thick that is. That is beautiful. Voila! Our smoothie is ready. So there you go. These are 3 very delicious and actually quite nutrient-dense smoothies for the summer. Now, you can even go ahead and add in some protein powder in here and make it a protein smoothie, and you can basically adjust it and make it your own. So these smoothies are packed with vitamin C, and you know how important vitamin C is. It doesn't only help you with your skin, but also helps you to absorb all of those wonderful nutrients so that you can be healthier and shine. So I hope you enjoyed these 3 very delicious summer smoothies. And if you make them, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd added anything or made your own version of these smoothies. I'd really like to know about it. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget that our Patreon page is up. So if you want to check that out, once again, the link is in the description below. See you guys next time.